What is up, guys, and welcome back to Jesse Yang YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you something that I made on Tinkercad. So if you watched the Tinkercad tutorial videos on my YouTube channel, then you should know Tinkercad. And if you want to know some things about some things and skills about Tinkercad to make your very own designs, then you can watch the tutorial. I'll put the link in the description below. So I'm going to show you the thing that I made, the the Tinkercad design that I made. The only reason that I opened a new slide is because I didn't want to start with the actual thing. So this is it. What do you think this is? If you said shark and you didn't look at this bad boy, then I think, well, you're right. So this is a shark, and so I added a PCB so as with a thing. It might not be as advanced as it would be. In a very simple version of the actual thing that might be a reality. So if you look at it from the side, it's like this. So I was also planning to have so this is a sensor, if you want to know. So basically I got the idea from this, from this robot. So this, you see, is holding this rock thing, which is for tug of war. And so these foods that Pleo can recognize, this robot dinosaur that Pleo can recognize and can respond. Like there's pepper, there's sugar, there's, I don't know, bandages that he eats. So that's where I got the idea from. And so yeah, I got the idea from here. So this is the actual thing. So this is a fin on the sides, if you get what I mean, that one. Then this is the fin at the top, this is the tail. So if we get an actual one, then just bring it over the top. Let me see. So yeah, like this. If we just go right onto the side. So this is the actual, thing, all inside a model. So yeah, the fin's different because this is what I'm planning for it to look like. This is going forwards a tiny bit, or should I say just going outwards straight. So yeah, this changed it a tiny bit, not to go back. And yeah, this is what it's like, all inside the shark. And this was by accident. This just happened to fit perfectly at the top, just rising above the surface to detect the thing that went into its mouth. That was an accidental success. Let's go back to that. So yeah. So this is basically what I've done so far, and you might have already noticed that the wires are all straight. Like, as you can see, the wires are straight. The wires are straight. The wires are straight. The wires are straight. Even for the last tail bit, when I could have just curved it, the wires are straight. Well, you know why? Because I don't know how to curve it. So please put down in the comment below how to curve it. Like this could just go straight, curving in, just end up here, just curve. And I was also wanting to to make it more cooler. I was planning to make like a kind of wires just swiggling here. So please put down in the comment below if you know how to do that, and also make some suggestions to how to improve this product, shall I say. And so yeah, Ah yes, you might be wondering, what the hell are these big fat cylinders in the middle of nowhere? Well, they're actually just speakers, because I was planning that these are gills, yeah, because these don't have gills. Some gills on the speakers here, and that could be just a speaker that's it's just a speaker. So yeah, that's that. I said this is the product, the shark. Oh yeah, and by the way, this I made by myself. This was not, but the inside was just like that. I'll show you something cool. Let me just go inside. Oh come on, zoom. There's a limit to how much you can zoom in. If I just move this in here. Pow! You wanna know why everything's grey? Well, because we're inside the shark. Look at that. And there's the front of the mouth. And there's the processing unit. This, this is the central processing unit, so the CPU is in this one. But other than that, so you might be wondering why is there these. Now, if you haven't picked it up already, so these are the motors that are wiggling about. So it can, so these motors can go like zzz, 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 zzz. So it can move up, down, left, right, and all of the motors will do the same. So the tail will just sway. So yeah, this is the shark. Please put down in the comments below any improvements that you would like it to have, and also comment down below how to curve wires, like or just curve it here. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is my design, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I always do this on